Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to turn off language filter in League of Legends. In order to turn off language filter in League of Legends, firstly we need to open up League of Legends client. After opening up the client, we will head to the settings button from the top right hand side of the client. Click on this gear button. After that, we'll be headed to the client's general settings. From here, we'll go to the chats and friend settings of the client. From here, we can see that a tick button is here called enable language filter. We have to make sure that it is unchecked. After we have made that sure, our language filter will be disabled. So if anybody says something explicit, it will not be shown as stars in the chat list, and you can see what they told you. So this is how you can turn off chat filter in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.